This plant is Chinese tallow tree, also known as popcorn tree because of the appearance of the seeds when they ripen. This plant can be recognized because it has these top-shaped leaves with a long tip and because of its seeds. Sometimes it gets confused actually with coral bean, which is in the pea family, but coral bean has compound leaves and these are just simple leaves. This tree may have arrived in the United States to be used for oil in the soap industry, but I've also seen several sources that claim Benjamin Franklin is the one who brought it here because it has beautiful fall color and is great in a garden setting. Never been able to substantiate that, so it might just be a rumor. Now, this tree can thrive in a variety of environments, and it can become a total monoculture, which means that it displaces our native habitats. So it can really degrade a natural environment once it gets established. It spreads when birds eat the seeds and then they deposit them in their feces, or it can also have the seeds float on water and the water carries them to a new location where they get established. And then it can be up to 5 years that those seeds are able to wait in the soil before they sprout. So in order to help control this plant, which can change our native habitats, if they're very small, you can pull them completely out of the ground whole. But if you have a larger tree like this and you just cut it off, they will root sprout. So it will come back from the roots and grow a bunch of little suckers from those. So unfortunately, you typically have to use some sort of herbicide in order to control this plant. So a lot of times we do what's called hack and squirt, which is taking a hatchet, cutting a notch into the tree, and in the fall when the tree is pulling nutrients back down into its roots for the wintertime, you apply a strong herbicide just into the cut, which the tree takes down, and then it won't resprout in the spring.